Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. In this video, I am going to explain about the coronavirus antigen test. Okay, so far the gold standard for the coronavirus testing is RT-PCR. Okay, and then we are performing the antibody test. Now ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, has recently introduced this coronavirus antigen test, which is point of care testing. So within 30 minutes, you get the results. Okay, so I am going to discuss about this. So far ICMR has, out of 21 company, okay, has validated only one company for use. Okay, that is SD Biosensor, that is Korean company, which has a manufacturing unit in the near the Gurugram, New Delhi. Okay, and this COVID testing is based on the rapid chromatographic immunoassay detection of the specific antigen of SARS-CoV-2, which is present in the nasopharynx. It is fast result within 30 minutes, easy to use. Okay, sample is nasopharyngeal swab. Okay, and no special equipment is required. Other company have also applied for the antigen testing. They are in process of validation. They are in the process of validation or in the transit. Okay, but at present it is done by the SD Biosensor. Now, this is a kit of SD Biosensor about the COVID antigen test. Okay, so just like pregnancy test, it is a kit for detection of COVID virus. Okay, and we detect the antigen. So each test comes with the inbuilt COVID antigen test device, viral extraction tube with viral lysis buffer, and sterile swab for the sample collection. Nasopharyngeal swab has to be taken. Here you have to remember that no other sample like throat swab or bronchoalveolar lavage or sputum. In real-time PCR, we can use any of these. Okay, but for this COVID antigen in the SD biosensor, only nasopharyngeal swab has to be taken, right? So from the nasopharynx, we have to take the sample. And after the sample collection, swab is immersed, okay, in the buffer. Here, the test does not work if the sample is collected in the normal viral transport media. So for the RT-PCR, we normally use the viral transport media. Here, the special lysis buffer is available along with the kit. But no PPE is given. We have to wear the normal PPE kit. So PPE kit, we have to, okay, wear, and N95 mask and all standard gown, we have all the standard PPE we have to wear. Okay, and once where we take the sample and keep it in the buffer, then it will inactivate the virus. Therefore it will help in biosafety and biosecurity. Okay, and no special equipment is required. So this is the kit components which are present in the one kit. So there is a sterile swab is available, then extraction buffer tube with the buffer, right? These are the kit insert, and nozzle cap is given in each kit, and around 25 buffer tubes are available. And cost of this test is, per test is around 500 rupees. So it is very cheap also as compared to RT-PCR, which is a gold standard method, is around 2,500 to 5,000. Okay. So we have to insert this swab into the nasopharynx and rotate it to the 180 degree, right? And then stay for 10 seconds and then remove the swab and keep it inside this buffer tube provided in the kit. Okay. So remove the swab slowly, insert the swab into the buffer tube. Okay, and first we have to remove the aluminum cover of the extraction buffer tube. So remove the aluminum cover, insert the swab, okay, and then shake for the 5 seconds. Okay. Here, the one sample is collected in the extraction buffer, it is stable only for the 1 hour. Okay, so we have to do it at the on-site. Okay. And once the sample goes into the buffer, mixed properly, buffer tube caps needs to be replaced with a nozzle provided with the kit, and 2 to 3 drops of the sample buffer are put into the well. So when we remove this aluminum cover, we put this swab inside this buffer tube and then stir the swab for the minimum 5 times. Okay, and while stirring the swab, squeeze the buffer tube to extract the specimen completely. So squeeze here and stir this swab for the 5 times. Then once it is done, we have to press the nozzle cap tightly into the tube. So this is a cap that we have to keep tightly. Okay, then we have to invert it and add 3 drops, okay, of the specimen into this well, right? And here once we apply it, then the sample will run. Okay, so if it is, this is control and this is test, both band should be seen, then it is labeled as a positive. Or if this control positive, okay, and red or pink band should be seen. Okay, so if this pink band even seen, then also it is a COVID positive. Okay, and if only test, okay, band in the test region, either red or pink, but no band in the control region, then the test is invalid. Okay, so we cannot give it as a positive, though band is in the T. Both C and T band should be seen. Okay, so you can see both C and T, both control. This is a control. Okay, if this band only at the control region, no band at the test region, then the COVID test, antigen test is negative. Okay, so you can see here band at the control region and light band at the test, that is a positive antigen test. The corona patient is corona positive. Test can be interpreted as positive or negative after 50 minutes of putting the sample. Okay, here most important advantage is no specialized equipment is required, like RT-PCR. Though it is a gold standard, it is cost of the machine is very high, 20 to 50 lakhs, right? And it takes around 6 hours. Okay, and so that is the advantage of this rapid antigen COVID antigen test. The test kit should be stored between 2 to 30 degrees, right? And once it is used, step should be discarded. Now, most important thing is about the sensitivity. Okay, so what is the sensitivity? The sensitivity of the test, that it should be able to diagnose the patient who has the disease. That is the sensitivity. So out of 32 patients who are RT-PCR, okay, positive, they were in 27 patients, it was antigen test was also positive and 5 were negative. So sensitivity is around 84.38. So ICMR and AIIMS Delhi both have individually conducted the validation for this kit, and it is interval between the 67 to 94%. Okay, so it is a, as such you can see it is a in cheap, okay, around 500 rupees, no other. So for the screening it is very important in the containment area, or for doing patient for the surgery, before any surgery, or comorbid patient with a high risk contact. In all this kit can be very useful, and it has a specificity is around 99 to 99.3 to 100%. Okay, so what is specificity? Specificity of the is to identify, okay, in patient who have not the disease. Okay, so person who is COVID negative, he should be negative. Okay, so that is specificity. So that is 100% as such, right? Sensitivity between 50 to 84% or around 85%. Okay, two independent evaluation by ICMR and AIIMS Delhi, right? So where it should be used, as RT-PCR is gold standard, but ICMR has advised to use this COVID antigen test in the containment zone or the hotspot, provided we have to maintain the temperature between 2 to 30. So all the patients who are symptomatic, who have influenza like illness, like cough, fever, in all that patient we have to do with the COVID antigen test. Or asymptomatic patient who is in direct contact with the COVID positive or comorbid patient, okay, between 5 to 10 days of contact. Or healthcare setting where in all symptomatic patient we have to do, and in asymptomatic patient with the high risk, like patient has in chemotherapy, Okay, patient who has chemotherapy or other risk factor like heart disease, kidney disease. Okay, in all that patient or transplant patient. So in that patient, we can do COVID antigen test. Or asymptomatic patient undergoing aerosol generating surgery. So which are these surgery like ENT surgeries, dental surgery, neurosurgery. Okay, so in all these elective or emergency surgical procedure, we can do this test or non-surgical intervention like bronchoscopy or GI endoscopy or dialysis. Okay, and last, this is about the antibody test, antibody testing. But as we know, IgM, it will be positive only after the 5 days. Okay, and will last around 40 to 20 days. Or IgG test, that will be positive only after 7 to 10 days. Okay, so as compared to antibody testing, this antigen COVID test is very important. It is available in Gujarat in all PSC, CSC for the validation and for the further use. So I hope this video will be useful. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for my future video also. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.